some of that stuff all down in there. Look at, oh my gosh. Here we go. Here, scoot back a little bit. This is torn apart. Everything's just torn apart. I've never seen anything like this.
I don't feel like it's real.
Like, I feel like I'd see this in a movie.
Yeah.
Like, there used to be tons of trees and cover here and everything.
Yeah.
It's gone. Like, look at these houses. You smell that gas?
Oh yeah.
God, you can smell the gas. Get that house right there.
Okay.
I've seen about 10 or 15 news channels.
Yeah.
Dude, that was a school.
Really? You think
There's
so?
that looks like that building right there.
Huh.
There's a tornado siren right there.
Huh.
Everything's just like gone.
Yeah.
Look at that car.
Ooh.
What? Alright, we're out of the main path now. Here's National Guard right there. Everything is absolutely destroyed.